In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use coins in Lazada. If you've been collecting coins in the app and want to turn them into instant savings, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find your coins, how to collect them, and how they're automatically applied when you check out on mobile. Start on your mobile device and open the Lazada app. Make sure you're signed into the account where you earn coins so everything is tracked under one profile. A stable connection helps the balances load quickly, and keeping the app updated ensures you see the latest features related to coins. From the home screen, head to the Account tab. You'll usually find it at the bottom of the screen, and it's the place where all your personal settings, orders, vouchers, and rewards live. This is the hub where Lazada surfaces your wallet items and, importantly, your coin-related options. Inside the Account section, tap Collect Coins. This is the dedicated area for building up your coin balance. Here, Lazada may show you opportunities related to coins and highlight how they contribute to your savings. Even if you don't take any additional actions right now, simply visiting this page helps you understand how coins work within your account and keeps you aware of your available balance. At the top of the screen, you'll see your coin balance displayed. Think of this number as your savings bank inside Lazada. Coins are typically converted into a discount at checkout, and there may be rules about how many coins you can apply on a single order, which shops accept them, or whether there's a minimum spend. If the balance looks lower than expected, give it a moment to refresh or revisit later if the app is still syncing. When you're ready to make a purchase, go to the product you want and tap Buy Now. This takes you directly to the checkout page for a faster path to payment. Make sure your shipping details and preferred payment method are in place so the order can be processed smoothly. On the checkout screen, your total coins are automatically applied as a discount up to the limit allowed for that order. You'll see the deduction reflected before you place the order so you know exactly how much you're saving. If you don't see coins deducted, the item or shop may not accept coins, or your balance might be zero. Coins can have expiration dates, so it's smart to use them regularly and keep an eye on your balance. That's all you need to do. Open Lazada on mobile, go to Account, tap Collect Coins, check your balance, tap Buy Now, and enjoy the automatic discount your coins provide. Happy saving and enjoy your next checkout.